HCC, or human-centered computing, is my field of study. It focuses on the interactions between humans and computers and serves as a subtopic to the larger field of human-centered interaction, or HCI. HCC blends concepts from psychology and various different tech fields to better understand how the human brain responds to elements of the digital world. Even seemingly minuscule details can have an enormous impact on how the brain processes a digital space. This is an emerging field, most utilized by professionals in the UI/UX industry. Through extensive research and design, these professionals create digital spaces that align with human needs and patterns. One example of this concept is UI/UX designers' development of heat maps to show where users' eyes scan when they enter a website. This helps them to understand where to put the most vital information. This form of usability testing is one of the ways UI/UX designers discover how human psychology influences how people interact with their designs and how to make them better. Design elements like the placement of a button or the shape and size of an image can have a significant psychological impact on the user. A scientific background in psychology and computer science is crucial for designing more efficient, engaging digital environments. Although this topic feels modern, its foundations have been around for decades. Don Norman's The Design of Everyday Things, originally published in 1988 and recently updated, gives an excellent understanding of the importance of user experience design. This is a core element of human-centered interaction and human-centered computing. One key principle from Norman's book is affordances. The idea that a well-designed object or inference should clearly indicate how it is meant to be used. For example, a button should look clickable and a slider should suggest it can be dragged. Even small cues like this guide the user's brain and make interactions intuitive. On the broader scale of HCI, this topic stretches beyond the digital sphere. Understanding how human psychology is essential for creating any product that people actually use. The more difficult a product is to use, the more likely customers are to abandon it. When we think of psychology, we often imagine therapy or counseling, but it also helps us to understand how the brain reacts to the world around it. To design products people need, we must first understand what the brain craves and can best process. So, the best products are simple and engaging, and human-centered computing is our path to creating efficient products.